Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This specific location connects you to the main Galleria Market. This location also connects you to the main Huda City Center. This location also connects you to the main golf course road and the most fabulous location, which is MG Road. Today, we're on a plot size of 215 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration of the house. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space of the house, which has an artistic sculpture hung on the specific wall on the right hand side. You can see a huge classy border दिया हुआ पूरा का पूरा grouping करा हुआ है wall में POP का. This is a fantabulous wall that I would suggest it's looking like. On the left hand side, you have the provisioning for the air conditioning system. You talk about the ceiling design, you've got a small specific sphere ceiling design which has an engineered wood on the corners, followed by the LED lights as well. You've got a fan above me on the ceiling. Over the surface, you've got the Italian flooring on the surface. This specific living room, formal living space, is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is a UPVC mesh which has a fixed glass with the sliding door for your balcony. Again, this glass size window is going to help the natural sunlight to flow inside your formal living space, and probably you will be able to mesmerize the weather as well. Now, this is the front balcony of the house. पूरा का पूरा इसमें stainless steel का काम करा हुआ है. 304 ग्रेड का ये stainless steel है. You can see the granite top moving there up to the border. पूरा का पूरा slider है. This is the external provisioning for the air conditioning system. On the surface, you've got the granite countertop stone. You've got the drainage vessel here. Over the ceiling that I see, you've got the HPL sheets with the ceiling lights, and this is all textured paint. Towards this way, you probably have a tap area. This is going to be a wet area for you, and you've got a vessel there which is going to be a drainage vessel. This is again a provisioning for the air conditioning system, so you can place the externals out here. I would request my photographer, my cameraman, my friend Akib, to showcase my viewers how does the surroundings of this location look like. You can mesmerize the nature. That's a green, serene. You could also see some birds chirping in the morning. This is gonna give you a euphonious sound. Let's get inside to the formal living space and cover up the most of the process which is left. Now, this location where I'm standing right now, this specific place, is a formal dining section of your house. इधर में एक पूरा का पूरा आपको console दिया हुआ है so that you can keep your stuff, you can keep your materials accordingly. You've got a running shelf, you've got the cabinetries down there. Again, on this wall, you've got the provisioning for the air conditioning system. This has a thick wallpaper. This is a diamond-shaped drawer design that I would say. You keep your diaries and whatever you want to keep. Aesthetics, you can keep it there. This is a satellite, it's a satellite dish. It's a pre-installed satellite wire. You do not have to take the pain to call the dish guy to install the satellite wire. This is already pre-installed. इसमें pain नहीं लेना बिल्कुल भी आपने. This ceiling has a square design. ऊपर में corners में आपको engineered wood दिया हुआ है. You've got a fan above me. On the surface again, you've got the Italian flooring. This is a small drawer given to you. Here is the place where you can hang your television, and table for 6 people can easily be placed here. This is going to be the main entrance door. This is a conceptualized design which is given to you on your level. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका एक running shelf की तरह दिया हुआ है. You've got the diamond cut glasses, mirror. इसमें आपका wallpaper दिया हुआ है पूरा का पूरा इस तरफ. Modular switches की मैं बात करूँ, you've got by Anchor. Now, let's cover up the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house, wherein you see on the surface you've got the Italian flooring. Towards my left, this is a wall which has a wallpaper. This wall in the front, you've got the wooden empanelment design. यहाँ पर मैं कंसोल भी बना के दी है. इसके लेफ्ट में आपका recessed LED strip lights हैं. You've got LED recessed strip lights on the corners of this specific board. यहाँ पर आप अपना television set लगा सकते हैं. You've got the running shelf. You've got the cabinetries down here. You can place your materials and you're good to go. You talk about the ceiling. This has a normal ceiling design which has engineered wood on the corners, LED lights above me. You see a small fan. This first bedroom is also connected with the balcony in the front. Now this is the front balcony. Once again, what we've showed you before, nothing new. This remains to be the same. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका आसपास का जो आप देख रहे हैं neighborhood आपका ऐसे कैसे ही लगेगा. Inside this first bedroom, you also have a dresser's room. You probably have the place to keep your materials accordingly. यहाँ पर अपना सामान आप रख सकते हैं. आपको दराज वगैरह दिए हुए हैं, इसमें लॉक्स भी हैं. It's a good quality door handle. It's a wooden door handle. यहाँ पर में भी आपको you can keep your stuff. That's the place where your air conditioning system will be hung. You've got the cabinetries down here. This is locked for time being, but this will get open as well. यहाँ पर में आप अपना closet section बना सकते हैं. इस area में पूरा closet आपका बनता है. Now, beneath down there you've got the boot space. This first bedroom is also connected with the washroom out here. Please come inside, Akib. First thing that I will notice, this is a beautiful mirror which is given to you on the entrance of the first washroom. Now, a bowl shaped vanity. Bowl नहीं है, ये curve shaped vanity है आपका, looking beautiful. You've got the natural stone cabinetries down here. All these sanitary fittings are by Hindware Collection and Jaguar. ये पूरा आपका wall mounted commode seat है. On the surface and on the surface you've got the tiling work done. This is a textured tile given to you on the walls. A beautiful geyser by Crompton. You've got the rain head in place. It's actually placed inside the ceiling, and that's the place where you can hang your fan, and that's the spacing for the exhaust fan given. This is a glass channel, a very smooth glass channel given to you. This specifically bifurcates the wet and the dry area. Sanitary fittings I've already mentioned. You've got 2 drainage vessels there as well. Ceiling पे आपके normal cubicle L-shaped designs हैं which are looking drastically good. So let's cover up the second bedroom of the house now. Before we enter inside the hallway area, this has a good quality door. Wooden का काम बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. This is the hallway area. This is the second bedroom of the house. On the right hand side you'll see the complete closet section. Towards my left you see a plain wall left for your customization. That's the spacing for the air conditioning system, provisioning diya hua hai. This is a small wooden panel which has LED lights here, and you can hang your television here. You've got the cabinetries, running shelf, everything goes in flow. On the surface you've got the Italian stone here. This is also connected with the washroom here. A beautiful, I would say, a bowl-shaped vanity. You'll get a natural stone on the countertop. You've got the cabinetry spacing down here. On the surface, you've got the tiling work, which is matching the contrast of the wall design as well. Walls पे आपको tiling दी है, contrast दोनों का same है. You've got the geyser, wall-mounted seat, Hindware Collection और Jaguar की सारी fittings हैं. This is a beautiful system given to you by Jaguar. If you will notice here, Akib, come inside. ये एक बारी दिखाइए. This is a normal rain head. ये manual shower है और ये normal rain head दिया हुआ है. These are the controls, looking elegant and beautifully placed. Now, this washroom has a proper door channel to bifurcate the wet and the dry area, and this goes accordingly. Ceiling पे आप एक fan लगा सकते हैं, and you've got the spacing for the exhaust fan as well. Over the ceiling design in the second bedroom, this is a normal ceiling design. This does not has an engineered wood. This is a normal recessed LED light strips. A fixed glass window for the natural sunlight to flow inside from the back side. This is the back balcony of the house. अभी काम चल रहा है यहाँ पर. We apologize for the inconvenience. This will be removed. You've got the tap area. That's your tap area and this is your drainage vessel here. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका पीछे जाल लगाया हुआ है for your safety measure, so nobody will be able to enter inside your premises. This is also connected with the third bedroom of the house. From thereafter we'll show you. Let's get inside. This is my hallway area. भाई 215 गज को बहुत अच्छे से डिजाइन करा है. This is the third bedroom. Now probably once I enter inside the third bedroom, the first thing that I get straight in my head is something that I can see my reflection. How do I look like? So probably you will also visualize the same thing. You've got the complete closet section here. पूरा का पूरा आपका closet section दे रखा है. If you close this, automatically this will get open, and in the center you probably, this is also a slider. इसको आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. Let me show you. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. You've got a 3-channel closet out here. So probably black toughened glasses, 3-channel closet, beautiful. This is going to be the master bedroom that I would say. If you want to consider this, this is your wish. सीलिंग पे अगर आप देखोगे इंजीनियर्ड वुड दिया हुआ है लेफ्ट एंड राइट में बॉर्डर्स के साथ में. अबव मी यू सी अ स्मॉल सीलिंग फैन with LED lights. This is the spacing for your air conditioning system. On the surface you've got the Italian flooring. This is the grouping design given on the wood. This is your complete panel where you hang your television and you're good to go to watch. This is gonna be your washroom area. A beautiful waterfall design. You've got the vanity. थोड़ा सा बाउल शेप में भी है. You've got again the sensor mirror in front. This is your rain head. वॉल के ऊपर सीलिंग पे ग्रुपिंग हुई है और बीच में एक सेंटर डिजाइन दी है जहां पर आप फैन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. This is the placing for your exhaust fan. This is sanitary fittings are all by Jaguar and Hindware. ये आपका फ्लोर के ऊपर अगर आप देखोगे सरफेस पे नॉर्मल एंटी स्किड टाइल्स हैं और वॉल्स पे आपका डिजाइनर टाइल्स दी हुई हैं. This is your wall mounted commode seat with a running shelf. Now this is also connected with the balcony area. This is the back side balcony that I see. Again यहाँ पर आपको गीजर दिया हुआ है क्रॉम्पटन का और यहाँ पर आप अपना एक्सटर्नल मशीनरी लगा सकते हैं. मैं इसको वायर को आगे की तरफ करके भी लगा सकता हूँ because I have the clear vision and the clear approach. Now let's cover up the kitchen. This is the kitchen of this house. A beautiful open kitchen. That's the place where you park your refrigerator. This is a beautiful white stone which is going to be a stain free in the near future, and this is durable as well. This is a dual sink given to you with a movable vessel, and the sanitary fittings are all by Jaguar. This is going to be used for your RO, and the chimney and hob is by Elica. That's a beautiful hob and chimney that I see that it's looking like. कटलरी रखने के लिए आपका सामान की जगह है यहाँ पर. You keep your pepper, salt, grains accordingly. You utilize your space. This way you've got a glass partition. इसमें grooving system नहीं दिए, proper cabinets बना के दे दिए आपको. This is your oven. This is the place where you can keep some of your materials out here. This is another space that you can utilize as per your convenience. Again you've got another space here. So this specific kitchen has a huge space in terms of keeping your materials. चिमनी पूरा का पूरा ऊपर से कवर कर दिया. यहाँ पर एग्जॉस्ट विंडो दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर for the ventilation. If you want to open it, you can open it in the evening or in the morning hours once you're done with the cooking. And this is a running shelf. इसमें LED lights वगैरह भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. This is how this is gonna blow, illuminate. Now this side आपको पूरा का पूरा tiling work दिखेगा. You've got a beautiful kitchen all together that I would say. इधर भी LED lights दिए, यहाँ भी दिए. यहाँ पर में भी आपका crystal clear toughened glasses हैं. This is looking something beautiful and unique. Finally, time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. You were watching Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. Don't forget to give us a call. Don't forget to Subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up, which is needed. And if you're looking for a site visit, you've got the number listed above and below. So you're more than welcome to give us a call. Thank you so very much. See you around.